Let me ask you something. How is it possible that two people earn the same income, live the same lifestyle, yet one of them easily saves money while the other is always broke? This isn't luck. It isn't discipline. It's the result of hidden money habits. Habits most people don't even realize they have. And today, you're going to see exactly what those habits are. Let's start with something most people never admit. Sometimes, it's not the big financial disasters that keep us poor. It's the tiny habits, the small decisions we make every single day that quietly drain our future wealth without us noticing. And when you fix these habits, something incredible happens. You don't just save more money, you actually start to feel in control of your life. One of the biggest habits keeping people poor is emotional spending. That moment you feel stressed, bored, frustrated, or just empty inside, and you buy something to feel better. It might work for 10 minutes, you get that little dopamine rush, but after that, the guilt hits. And the craziest part? Most people don't even remember what they bought a week later. If you've ever looked at your bank statement thinking, wait, where did all this money go? That's the hidden cost of emotional spending. The way out starts with awareness. Every time you want to buy something you didn't plan, pause. Ask yourself, do I want this or do I just want to feel better? That one question alone can save you thousands over a year. Another habit that keeps people poor is living like the income you wish you had instead of the income you actually have. We upgrade too fast. We get a raise, we immediately move to a nicer apartment. We get a bonus, we buy a new phone, new clothes, new lifestyle. We keep chasing the next thing, the next upgrade, the next status symbol. And suddenly, our expenses grow faster than our income, a trap called lifestyle inflation. Here's the truth that wealthy people understand. It's not how much you make that matters, it's how much you keep. You can make $10,000 a month and stay broke if your expenses rise to match it. But if you keep your lifestyle stable while your income grows, that is where real wealth begins. Another silent habit is ignoring your future self. You might think, I'll start saving later, or I'll invest when I make more. But time is the one thing you can't get back. Every year you delay investing, you are robbing your future self of exponential growth. Wealth isn't built by sudden, huge deposits. It's built by small, consistent contributions over many years. Imagine planting a tree. You can't wait until you're 50 and suddenly say, okay, I want a giant tree for shade. No, you have to plant it early. Your investments work the same way. Even $50 a week is enough to change your entire financial future if you start now. Let's talk about another habit, not tracking your money. Most people have no idea how much they spend, what they spend it on, or how much they're wasting. If you're not tracking your money, you're basically driving in the dark with your headlights off. Wealthy people don't track their money because they're rich. They became rich because they tracked their money. But here's the good news. You don't need some complicated spreadsheet. You just need clarity. Know how much you make, how much you spend, and where your money goes. Awareness alone changes your behavior. Once you see your financial reality, you can't unsee it. And now, maybe the most damaging habit, surrounding yourself with people who are financially irresponsible. You can save, invest, and work on yourself all you want, but if your friends pull you into impulsive spending, nights out you can't afford, or just buy it, it's fine, thinking, you're fighting a battle you'll never win. Environment shapes behavior. If you hang around with people who waste money, you will too, even if you don't realize it. But when you surround yourself with people who talk about goals, growth, investing, and building a better life, your mindset shifts. You start thinking long-term. You start becoming intentional. You start acting like the future you want to become. So what's the solution? You don't have to change your entire life overnight. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start with one habit. Track your money, or cut one emotional purchase, or invest a small amount each month. Small steps matter. Small steps compound. Small steps turn into massive life changes. And here's the truth most people don't realize. You are not stuck. Your financial life can change, and it can change faster than you think when you change the habits that guide your decisions. If you've ever felt like money controls you, this is your reminder that you can take that control back. One habit at a time, one decision at a time, one day at a time. Your future self is counting on you.